First and foremost, our workers go to the mountain and collect the cashew fruits. That is the first process starts, beginning of this one, to collect the cashews from the mountain. And we collect the cashews which are not from the tree but which is fallen down, which is the ripe cashew fruit. So we collect only fallen down and bring it down with the vehicle, putting in the vehicle and bringing it down to the processing place. So that is the first step of the collecting the cashews, and that it takes almost a half a day for us, because we have 60 acres of land. Some people bring and give to us. After removing the nuts, they come and give the cashew fruits. As soon as collection is done, then we sit, all the workers sit and do the nutting. That is the second process. Like first process, whole half day, collecting only, it goes whole half day it goes, and we collect, bring it down, and then it started the nutting, then kept ready for crushing. These are and sometimes the fruits which are not fully ready, ripe, we try to take it out. Okay, only fruit which are ripe one we use. Quality juice will come out of this.
Understood.
Whereas raw one will give also juice, but that will be, we call it in Konkani, dikar lagta. So dikar lagta, so that will be affecting the Niro taste. It won't be sour, it will be that I was saying in dikar. That means some kind of a liquid taste will come and it get little scratching. And in case when it becomes sour if cashews are overripe, fallen down, then 3 days we have not collected, they are already, juice is trying to ferment, so that's why it will be already fermented. Like after crushing, we collect in the bucket crushed cashews and put in the basket, wooden baskets. So it is kept in the wooden basket, and that wooden basket we press it and try to remove as much as juice possible. Then we try to see, then nice fine juice is coming. So that fine juice is nothing but a Niro, which is sweet, and a lot of people come to buy it. We sell it in the sense, we started giving to some people, then it started becoming more and more, so we couldn't this one, then we started charging them. Drinking purpose only, people used to start coming too many, then we started charging them little amount. Then the people wanted to take it home, because it's so sweet, I want to give it to my family. How to, I can't take this one. So they started asking them to bring bottles and fill it and take. It took quite a long time how to get it, like. Long time means now the seminary existing here 60 years. We are going to celebrate 60 years of our arrival in Goa. Swedish, 60 years. But this process started after 5-6 years, because there were so many cashew trees, so many fruits. Then we found out, the priest who came, he found out, why not we collect the cashews and get the nuts, and then we sell the nuts. That was the beginning, collecting cashews and this one. Then slowly, what to do, waste, we were putting for cows. Why not you crush it and get it the juice and then distill it. So that is how the process was asked by the people, not to waste that one and do it. And father went around seeing also, yes, they can do it. And beginning, that is but how to do it? Then we had to get workers to do it, like. And then slowly more and more workers coming and trying to do this process. And beginning was not crushing with the machine. It was traditional way. Even at present, some of the areas they do it, feet crushing with the feet. We also started with that beginning, but it was little tedious job crushing, and we had a good amount of cashews. So doing it, it is to go quite late evening. So then we thinking of doing it faster, and you saw the three press which are there within 10-15 minutes. Only it takes more time for nutting. That is it. We found out it is not good for this one for the cattle, because one thing, it is whole thing is removed of the cashew. Only pulp is there, and if they eat, then for them it does not help them in any nutritious value. So we cannot use that one for any purpose. It is simply burnt, because even if you keep in one corner of this one, nothing will grow, nothing will come up from that, because it has acidity in that. We simply keep it. It can be burnt only, that's all. Okay. Sometimes we put in the firewood also a little bit, but lot of smoke comes, so it is simply dried. We can have a look there. So that is how this one process. It is from the people getting the information, trying to improve upon. We never remain the same leg crushing and all, improving the process.
Yes.
Beginning of the stage, first thing we did is hand moving crusher, hand moving. But even that was very serious. You need two people to do that. So then slowly we changed into machine. That way. Now last 20 years or so we are using this one, and seeing ours, quite many of the farmers or quite many of the cashew growers, they also started taking our technology or whatever we are doing. They also started, and they are doing, and they are improving much more better. So we tried our traditional method, most of this one. See, we don't restrict the timing. See, now today it got over very fast, because by 3 o'clock all cashew nuts are